Hi there! Today we have the newly launched Zebronics ZEB Sound Bomb Q Pro TWS earphones. Wow, that's a mouthful. So the reason I'm excited for this one is this comes with Qualcomm aptX support, it comes with wireless charging. These are kind of premium earbuds. So let's unbox it, we'll see the design, the features, the sound quality. Hang on, how about we do a giveaway for this one? That would be fun. So watch till the end to know how you can win these. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the unboxing. So here is the retail packaging of the ZEB Bomb Q Pro. Let's first open out the wrapping. Alright, yeah, now you can see more clearly. Zebronics ZEB Sound Bomb Q Pro. It's a long name and it comes with voice assistant support, wireless charging, touch control, IPX water resistant and Qualcomm aptX. On the back you see some of its features. Alright, let's open it. So you have some paperwork, instruction guide. Here are the earbuds. You have a lovely golden branding on the top. We have two pairs of extra ear tips and a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. So let's keep the box aside and have a closer look at it. Alright, let's have a closer look at the case. Flip open, see the earbuds inside. Wow, that's a nice click. The hinge is strong. You have the golden Zebronics branding on the top. You have the charging lights below here, LED, and there is a beautiful dimming light on the top which also shows you that it's charging. The ZEB Bomb branding. On the back is the USB-C charging cable, super handy for people who have Android phones that charge with USB-C. Zebronics branding looks actually nice. So the good thing is that the case is really small. It fits into your hand, fits into your pocket, is light, weighs just 52 grams, super easy. Okay, you see the charging terminals and those are the earbuds and Zebronics branding. You see the terminals inside, the ear tips. They've got this lovely matte black finish. They look really premium. They're very light. So these are Pro variants that also come with wireless charging. Yes, this has wireless charging and I'm keeping this here. And you can see that it starts wirelessly charging on the wireless mat, which is amazing. So let's check out how good they fit. So the moment you put it in, it says Zebronics for life. And then it says it's connected, which I had paired with my phone just a minute before, and it's connected now, which is good so that you know that it's connected. They snug in really well inside the ear canal. They cancel out most of the passive sound. They don't even pop out too much. I think that's the best part about these earbuds. They don't pop out too much from your ears. You don't look funny, and that's a good thing. And they have a very good grip. They don't shake at all. They're light, they're comfortable, they're pretty good to go with their comfort level. And these can be ideally worn for gym because they don't shake, they get a good grip. They come with IPX7 rating, which means splash and sweat resistant. Alright, moving to the sound quality. So it has a 6mm driver and they sound actually pretty good. Deep bass, thumpy bass. The bass is really good on these, which actually I was surprised because I really didn't expect it to sound that good. They sound really good. Mids and highs are okay. The instrument separation might not be the best, but the thump and the mids are pretty okay. They also got really loud and there was slight sound bleed, but that is only if you go at full volume or else it is pretty okay. So these also come with tap gestures. You single tap on either to pause and play. You double tap for next track and previous track, right and left obviously. The tap and holding will increase the volume and decrease the volume. Triple tap on either to enable voice assistant, Siri for iPhone and Google Assistant for Android. So control wise it's sorted with everything. Superb. Coming to the phone call quality. So it was actually amazing indoors. It was super clear both ways. The other person couldn't make out that I'm not using my phone. But outdoors there was just too much ambient sound. It was collecting too much of sound in every direction. So indoors for phone calls, amazing. If you're in a gym or something where there's a lot of music playing, it might not be the right place to use these for phone calls. But if you're in an office, you're in a quiet room or in a studio, then it'll be fine. So coming to the battery life. So this is where we have very little information about it. Zebronics claims that with the case you get 35 hours of battery, which if you look at it is excellent. But we don't know the mAh battery in the case or on the earbuds, so we don't know exactly how well they'll last. Of course, I've just unboxed them. But considering Zebronics, they have mostly been very good with their audio things, so I'm sure the battery should last pretty good. If I had to estimate, the earbuds should last around 4 hours on a single charge, and you should be able to charge it with the case for 4 to 5 times, which should bring it to around 30 hours, which is really good. Considering it's such a small case, you get 30 hours of music charge with this. It comes with wireless charging and USB-C charging, so super convenient with that section. So finally, these seem to have impressive specs, especially aptX and wireless charging. So I got these for 3,799 from Flipkart. They also have a non-pro variant which has the same specs, same design, same sound quality, except they lack wireless charging. They are for 2,799. So if wireless charging ain't your priority, you can consider those. I'll leave the links for both the wireless charging and without the wireless charging units in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. Coming to the giveaway. To participate, you need to follow 3 simple steps. 1. Follow my Instagram handle, Mr. TechSing. Like the Zebronics Zeb Sound Bomb Q Pro post. I know that's a long name. And third, comment on the post your favorite feature of these earbuds. One winner will be announced on Instagram on 15th of January 2021. Links for my Instagram page and the post will be in the description. So don't waste any time, follow, like and comment. Simple. I hope you really like this video. If there are any questions, mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.